Grand afternoon. Hi. My name is Leonard Munson, the psychic astrologer. My website is readings by leonardtmunson.net. Welcome to Fire Signs Monday from November the 10th to the 17th, 2025. Leo. Leo, your solar sun is in the fourth house. The fourth house is Cancer. It's a house of roots, foundation, home, family, security, and women issues in your life. Its ruling planet is the moon, bringing things to a head, releasing, and things that was withheld from you being exposed. And it also represents trust your intuition. Now, when the sun is in Scorpio, Scorpio represents abundance, prosperity, infinity, strength, success, intimacy, shared resources, death and resurrection, rising from the ashes, transformation and change in secret. So there's been, in your finances, it has been bothering you, having concerns, Leo, worrying, sleepless nights, asking for assistance, getting no assistance. You have to look at your big financial picture. What you need to do to bring it back from the red back into the black. You have to address this by communicating with yourself. You got to take risks. You have to cut out what is causing you to have a financial burden. Credit cards, debts, car payments. You have to look at the big picture and be the eagle, the highest form of a Scorpio, Leo, and pinpoint the pull it out. You got to tighten your belt. You got to cut back. You got to get on a budget and stick on it. Now, this finances could have been bothering you, draining you, connected with a love relationship, work, finances, possession, beauty, and luxury. It's taking a lot of your energy that you put in at other places instead of looking at the root cause of where your finances are at this time. Because there's opportunity for expansion, growth, abundance, miracles, wealth, karma, and the truth. But you got to pick the right one. Some of you are going to get another job. And some of you, if you have a side hustle, you're going to push that more, Leo. You're going to expand it. You're going to get out of your comfort zone. Now we got 3 planets retrograding. No, not 3, 4. When a planet's retrograding, you're reviewing what decisions you made when they were going direct. So all this has to do with finances. So you've got to come up with a system. So the big credit cards, try to pay not just one payment, but 2 payments or 3. Get the big one out of the way, and then you can start working on the smaller one. This is what they call the snowball effect. Now, you did things for people, you loaned them money, or you maybe put yourself out on the limb and co-sign. And these people are not doing what they're supposed to do, so now the ball is in your hand. You have to learn the lesson to set boundaries and say no. So this was someone that you thought was in your corner, that was going to assist you, but they backstab you. Then there was people there that promised to help you, to give you information where you could work with a deductible company. And you see, when you did contact these people, you had to pay more money out. And then this is going to mess up your credit score. So that illusion, fantasy, head in the clouds, rose-colored glasses, fear, doubts, deception, lies, and brain fog. They were lying to you. Now you see the truth. And you're coming out of this brain fog because this is your responsibility. And you have to learn your lesson. This is, and by this is transforming you into, this is transforming you into freedom, independence. and never do this again. Never take money out of your savings, never co-sign anything with people who don't have their own. The reason why they don't have their own because they didn't care and they messed it up. And now they're trying to mess yours up in finances. So learn these lessons. You don't want to be the victim anymore. You don't want to be the wounded warrior. You don't want to be in that scarcity mindset in finances. Because you gave your financial freedom to other people by helping them, and they did not pay you back in the way they were supposed to. So you're going to be a survivor, and you're going to be in abundance because you're going to get your own finances straightened out, and you're not going to do it again. You're going to set boundaries and say no and mean it. Leo.